Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the daily travel time on the NavShip application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the second option, the My Boat button. Scroll down and in the More section you can find the last option, the daily travel time, and just drag it the circle to the time number that suits you. And if you don't, just click to the OK. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.